The 2026 Toyota GR electric sports car marks a bold leap into the future of performance driving. Blending Toyota's racing heritage with cutting-edge electric technology. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the sleek, aerodynamic bodywork makes its intentions clear. This is a car built for speed, agility, and sheer driving pleasure. The Lowe's lung stance, aggressive front fascia, and sculpted side panels not only give it a menacing presence, but also enhance airflow for maximum efficiency and stability at high speeds. Every line and curve serves a purpose, marrying form with function in true GR fashion. Asterisk, underneath the striking exterior lies a next generation electric powertrain developed by Toyota's Gazoo Racing division, delivering instantaneous torque and blistering acceleration. The dual-motor all-wheel drive system ensures incredible traction, allowing the GR Electric to launch from 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. Advanced battery technology extends range without compromising performance. And rapid charging capability means less time waiting and more time driving. The car's chassis has been tuned with precision, offering sharp cornering and exceptional stability, making it equally at home on winding mountain roads and high-speed tracks. Asterisk, step inside, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that blends racing inspiration with futuristic technology. The lightweight sport seats hold you firmly in place, while a fully digital instrument cluster and augmented reality heads-up display keep you informed without distraction. Touch-sensitive controls, premium materials, and customizable driving modes give you the feeling of being in complete command of a machine built to thrill. Toyota has even integrated an artificial intelligence driving assistant that learns your style, helping you push your limits while keeping you safe. Asterisk, the 2026 Toyota GR Electric Sports car isn't just about performance. It's a statement that the thrill of driving doesn't have to fade in the electric era. It embodies Toyota's vision of blending environmental responsibility with the unrelenting passion of motorsport. Whether you're a weekend racer or a daily commuter who craves excitement, this car delivers an experience that is both exhilarating and forward-thinking, proving that the future of sports cars can still make your pulse race.